I'm working on 2011 Mercedes Benz E350 with the steering wheel lock problem. The customer called me 2 weeks ago and he asking for the price. The price is half of the price of the dealer charge. And he told me he gotta try to do it. And 2 weeks later, he called me back and say, I'm quick. I'm not able to do it. So I come back here. He already take everything down. He tear down the vehicle. He take the column down. He take everything down. The column is inside in the garage. And we come here, and I already programmed the emulator, okay? He want the aftermarket part, the emulator. And now we gotta try. I'm gonna plug the emulator. This piece is not plug and play, okay? It's not plug and play. It had to be programmed by professional. I already programmed everything, and you can see the vehicle start now. Vehicle start now, but now I have to put in everything back. It's more work to me to put in everything back because he's taking everything. He's taking the gas pedal. He's taking almost the radio off. He take everything. Now he gonna pay me more because it's more work for us to put in everything back. Next time, just agree with the price and we come to do it. All right? Thank you. Okay, we already put it on the column. Column and the cluster, the instrument cluster. Now we gotta put the rest of the part. All right, we already put everything back. The vehicle is ready to go. Now we just deleting the fault code, like a steering wheel lock. You see, got a 3 code. Erase. Okay. This off. We're using the G country. Okay. Turn it on. Okay. No more code. All right. Thank you for watching.